Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of my, uh,
Nature versus humans. Right now, the wolves are the only people that are in on it. Are the only ones that are in on it. Only if there are a way to get them. Miniature red heart, raw beef, leather. They're celebrating. They're taking the area. The baby wolf, he's pinned down. Oh, never mind. Does he even shoot? I'm sorry, I didn't even test out more than half of this stuff. I didn't even test out any of the stuff before I did it, okay? Oh man, this position is going to be the hardest position to take. Alright, boys. Numbers always win. Other than in Lord of the Rings, because the orcs had the numbers, and well, did they win? Yeah. Oh man. Reinforcements, 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 reinforcements. So, that flank didn't go very well. We can't supply many more men as I'm giving them many more men. A lot more men. Oh man. Here they are. Charging. The first wolf. He's made it closer. Oh man. This one turret cannot hold this position. They need help. They need aid. 10. They called for reinforcements earlier. They're gonna get their reinforcements. Oh man. Those reinforcements. That's gonna make it a lot harder now. Oh gosh. Oh, they just received a bit more reinforcements. This position is impossible to take. Maybe the wolves should fall back. Maybe they should accept their defeat. And then later come back when they have a more powerful army. But later, they'll get more mobs to agree with them that humans are destroying everything. The forests, burning everything. For their sake. And they never think about nature. Oh. Wolves are coming in. Big wolves. They won't be able to do anything to them. They can't even get close. Numbers. That's what matters. In this situation, it's all about numbers. The wolves are receiving even more reinforcements. They have detected some human ships out there. They don't know if they can deal with that yet. They don't have enough men. I mean, wolves. Troops. And as they get closer and closer and closer, they finally got up here.
Why is that tape on?
I'm recording. I haven't recorded in a while. Yep, I know. Yeah?
You can share this tea.
Okay. I'm fine. Maybe. Sure. Maybe. The turrets, they turn around to give their friends some aid. I just raised 3, right? Nope, no. None of them surrender. They're like surrendering. And 3 more. On. 3. And that guy is facing that way. See through the...
Alright.
Guys, I'll be back with part 3.
Bye.
This part 2,
Wait, not
I'm
yet.
gonna name it The Fall of the Wolves.
Bye.
Bye.